Do after that, it was a nightmare. So now the other crowd hates me because I shit on them. It was
Going to
Mas
hell.
maganda yung
Yeah, I
ilaw
didn't
na
know,
ito.
I didn't
No, you
Steady.
didn't know.
So, of course, you have your beautiful wife now.
sure.
You don't know what she looks like.
Steady yung ilaw. Ito. Nagbe-blink siya. Thailand. Hindi nakikita ng mata, no? Sa camera kita. Yeah. Took me 1 hour to clean all of this. God dang, bro. Kahit yung ano ng J, oh. Meron maliit. Kita. Very nice.